Today, we're diving into a cosmic blend of topics that might just make your head spin in the best way possible. Let's start with the Arcturians, those benevolent extraterrestrials from Arcturus. They're said to be guiding us toward a spiritual awakening, using telepathy to heal and promote global peace. It's a fascinating concept for anyone interested in elevating consciousness and fostering a brighter future. Now, shifting gears to the world of crypto, Kraken's Babylon integration is making waves. It allows Bitcoin holders to stake directly and earn up to 1% APY in baby tokens. The best part, you can do this without wrapping or bridging your Bitcoin, making it a secure and transparent way to earn passive income. It's available in select regions, including the US, UK, Australia, and the UAE. For the sports enthusiasts, UFC Baku is the talk of the town. Expert picks are favoring Hill, Fiziev, and Blades, thanks to their tactical edges. It's all about leveraging those market shifts to make strategic bets. In the gaming world, Roblox's Grow a Garden is captivating millions. This game blends virtual planting with competitive fun, inspiring players to try their hand at real-world gardening. It's a delightful way to bring a bit of nature into the digital realm. Car enthusiasts, listen up. Porsche Italia and Ferragamo are celebrating 40 years with exclusive models of the 911 Carrera 4 GTS and Taycan 4S. It's a nod to luxury and performance, marking a milestone in automotive excellence. Meanwhile, in the world of fashion, Shoe Palace is launching a Breaking Bad-inspired streetwear line. It's a gritty narrative fused with bold style, perfect for those who want to make a statement. For those looking to spice things up, wax play is a thrilling option. The key is safety, using low-temperature candles, testing wax on the skin, and setting clear boundaries. Communication and aftercare are crucial to ensure a safe and exciting experience. And finally, a surprising aid for PTSD, Tetris. New research shows that playing this classic game post-trauma can reduce flashbacks by engaging the brain's visuospatial processing. It's a simple yet innovative approach that could transform mental health care. That's your brain stew for today. Whether you swallow it whole or spit it out, we'll see you tomorrow for more intriguing tidbits.